If your skin is not glowing, it's not bad luck, it's your daily habits, and some of them are ruining your results. Hi there, my name is Deacon. Happy to have you tune in today. There are some common mistakes that we make with our skincare routine, and I had to be honest with myself about this. And once I fix these things, I promise you my overall skin appearance, everything changed. So let's talk about it. Number one is that you're either overwashing or underwashing your skin. So you think you're doing your skin a favor by, overly washing it like 3 to 4 times daily. You want it to be clean. But the truth is you're stripping your skin of its natural oils and moisture. And that is in turn bad for your skin. And there's another group of people that underwash their skin. And this will be people that believe in the mindset that you have to not wash your skin as much. But I'm telling you here today that a healthy balance is washing your skin twice a day. That's absolutely enough. That could be in the morning and in the evening during your twice a day routine. And number two is that you are inconsistent with your routine. Does that sound familiar? Yes, it does. So you're doing your skincare today, skipping tomorrow, and expecting to see results. That's just not how skincare works. Unfortunately, or maybe very fortunately for us, we have to stay consistent with our routine. That's the way that you see good results. Consistency is what actually gives you the glow, not just random efforts. Third mistake could be that you're only taking care of your body and not your face. You just can get that glow if the rest of your body is dry, dull, and neglected. You get it's just 50% the glow. So get into full body care, exfoliate, moisturize, and stay fresh. The next one is that you are using too many random products. Mixing everything you see online is the easiest and fastest way to ruin your skin. So just stick to a simple routine that works for you, and that actually does the wonders for your skincare routine. The next one is that you are not hydrating enough. I know, we talk about drinking water all the time. I'm not talking fizzy drinks or sugary drinks or anything unhealthy. I'm talking just water, plain water. Making sure that you stay hydrated is the easiest way for your skin to glow from the inside out. It's no water, no glow, and it's as simple as that. Water does a lot of detoxing and cleansing all through the day, all through our body. So you want to make sure that you don't only drink water when you remember, but you constantly and actively drink water. One of my goals right now is to drink as much water as possible. So I want to cross the normal 2 liters that I would drink a day up to like 4 or 5 liters maybe. That's just because staying hydrated is one of the greatest routine that you. So the next mistake could be that you are ignoring your hygiene, you're neglecting your hygiene. So skincare doesn't really work without good hygiene. You have to cleanse, you have to stay fresh to get good results out of your skincare. So it doubles down on your personal hygiene as well. If your hygiene is off, it shows on your skin, it shows on your confidence, it shows in everything. So daily cleanliness, fresh clothes, proper routine would do you a lot of good when it has to do with your glow up journey for your skin as well. The glow isn't just skincare, it's how you take care of yourself daily. That is what actually makes the difference. If you want a full routine on how to actually glow and look put together every day, then I'll film that next. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I do hope it was helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Mwah.